Okay, so we have the new oppo 46mm watch with us today. The oppo watch 2020, the 46mm one, which is in the color black. It's a Wi-Fi enabled watch manufactured in China, and the year of import is September 2020. So we've got a charging cable with a charging port over here and some instruction manuals over here. So I've already set up the watch and basically connected it with my phone, and now we go ahead. So it's showing the date and the time, and it's asking me to swipe in each direction. Okay, so that's the notification. Swipe down to go to the back face. Okay. Swipe this way. I'm not sure. Okay, so no notifications. Okay, so here we have a typical screen which we have in our phones also. So over here we see the charge percentage showing as 37. We have the volume, the airplane mode, settings. Let me go into settings. You have display, just the brightness. So currently it's at a medium level 3, which is fine. I can put it in automatic. Font size is normal. Always on screen is turned on, so which is good. Okay, that's all for this particular page. Okay, now we have sound. We have media volume. Okay, that's set. Alarm volume can be set, which is fine. Ring while on wrist. Ring volume. Let me increase the ring volume. Okay, so that's decent. You can increase it actually. Yeah. So it can also vibrate for calls. Select the ringtones.
Luna.
So a lot of options here. Let's keep this. Okay, next we have connectivity. So Bluetooth is already connected to my phone. We have Wi-Fi, so let me set up the Wi-Fi. So forget, no, I think, oh, this is already connected. Oh no, I think I disconnected it.